wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best personal blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Built with a strong copper motor and heavy-duty blades, the Chulux smoothie allows you to mix up beverages in seconds without worrying about making a mess. The accompanying sports jars feature handy carrying hooks and fit easily into car and bike cup holders. The cups are BPA free and it comes with non-slip feet on the base. However, the internal O-ring is rather flimsy. At number 9, the Black & Decker Fusion Blade is fueled by a dependable 275-watt motor that generates enough power to puree ingredients and mix beverages. It's low maintenance, simple to operate, and comes backed by a 2-year limited warranty. It includes 2 jars with twist-on travel lids and a lightweight base for portability, but it does have trouble blending frozen fruit. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The sleek, space-saving design of the Keyton single will blend in well with the decor of a modern kitchen. More importantly, it's highly effective and easy to use, requiring only one touch before it finishes the job quickly and efficiently. It pulverizes frozen ingredients and comes with suction feet to provide stability. However, very hot water can damage the bottle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for personal blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a simple turn of a knob is all it takes to operate the Dr. Hetzner juice, which is a straightforward model for active individuals in need of quick, healthy beverages. It's not prone to leaking and requires minimal maintenance. The blades are removable for cleaning and is compact for easy storage, but this one's not ideal for use with nuts or roots. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether your routine includes creating a daily protein shake before the gym or a breakfast smoothie to take to the office, the homeasy electric will help you stay on schedule. Its stainless steel blades are as effective on ice as they are on fruits and veggies. The bottles fit in car cup holders and come with secure snap-on lids. However, it's pretty loud while in use. Halfway up our list at number 5. To help prolong its life and ensure a consistently high performance, the Keemo Professional can be run for only 2 minutes at a time, at which point it requires a cool-down period. It's equipped with a strong blade that detaches for easy cleaning. It sports a vibrant blue color and clear measurement lines on the bottles, but it's not suitable for crushing ice. At number 4, designed with a simple push-button control panel, the Elite Platinum High-Q features a pulse setting for crushing ice, a blend setting for mashing soft items like fruit and yogurt, and an extra blend setting for pulverizing harder foods like carrots, nuts, and seeds. It boasts titanium-coated blades, a digital countdown timer, and spill-proof lids. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the ultimate travel companion for health food and beverage enthusiasts. You can use the battery-powered blufied travel on a camping trip, at a sporting event, or even in a car. The bottle's lid has a tough silicone strap for easy carrying or hanging for storage. It's available in 2 colors and can be charged via USB. It includes an LED light on the base for nighttime use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for personal blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, constructed using advanced technology designed to extract maximum nutrition from fruits and vegetables during the process, the Sharkninja Pro cuts through ice, seeds, skins, and stems effectively, making it easy to prepare healthy concoctions to take on the go. It includes a recipe guide and 2 cups of different sizes. All the parts are dishwasher safe. And taking the top spot on our list. With the aicok high speed, style and performance go hand in hand. Its elegant contemporary build is the ideal complement to its high-powered motor that generates speeds of up to 28,000 rotations per minute, and its 6 sharp blades designed for fast work. It includes a 2-year warranty, strong impact-resistant travel cups, and a highly visible digital display panel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for personal blenders, or simply click beneath this video.